Robot vacuum gliding across the floor. Meet the smarter way to clean. Robot vacuum cleaner with automatic dust emptying. No more messy bins. Powerful suction, smart mapping, and hands-free convenience. Let your home stay clean, effortlessly. Leap your floors spotless without lifting a finger. This robot vacuum cleaner features powerful suction, advanced smart mapping, and the best part, an automatic dust emptying system that empties the dustbin into a larger base, so you don't have to. Ideal for daily cleaning of tiles, wood, and carpeted floors. It navigates effortlessly around furniture and tight spaces. Enjoy a cleaner home with less effort and more free time. Thank you for watching. With a foundation product link below the description, like, share, and subscribe for more.